Hello, my name is Brad from Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Crafter Panel Van Commerce Plus long wheelbase TDI 6-speed manual, presented in that stunning candy white solid paint. This is a 2-litre diesel engine with 140 PS power output. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance, and much more. Here we have your silver steel wheel trims. And moving on to the front of the vehicle, dotted along your front bumper are your colour coordinated front parking sensors, which can also be located on your rear bumper for your colour coordinated rear parking sensors, along with a rear view camera allowing for extra safety and vision when reversing or parking this vehicle in all types of surroundings. We also have some additional VW and Crafter badging dotted around in multiple areas on the exterior. Opening up the rear barn doors on 270-degree hinges allows you to reverse up tight to any loading bays that require you to. And once open, reveals ample of load space where there is also lighting located at the top to increase visibility in this fully ply-line van, which is complete with lashing rings which assist with securing any heavy, light or fragile loads. And here we just get another angle of the rear of the van from your passenger side sliding door. Now we get our first look at the driver's cab, a quick look at the controls, the electrically heated and adjustable wing mirrors, and on entry you are met by a very spacious area where you have your multifunctional steering wheel, which we'll touch on later on in the video, your dual passenger seats along with your driver's seat there, which has a single armrest to increase comfort on all long and short journeys. And as we pan back around the dashboard, we have additional storage compartments for any smaller personal belongings, along with a couple of drink holders, a grab handle allowing for easier access in and out of the driver's cab. To the left of your multifunctional steering wheel, we have your cruise control, allowing you to set your required speed and also increase and decrease your speed. And to the right, we have your voice activation control. Moving on to the centre console now, I'm just going to go through a few of the many features it has. We start off with a digital radio, where you're able to listen to and find all your favourite radio stations and save them onto the system whilst on the go. A quick look now at App Connect, where you can use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which is a feature which allows you to access and use apps from your mobile device, such as Spotify, where you can listen to your own personal playlist, and Google Maps navigation. Here we have your front and rear parking sensors along with that rear view camera, allowing for extra safety and vision when reversing or parking this vehicle in all types of surroundings. And finally, for your centre console, we get a quick look at your electronically controlled air conditioning system. And directly below is your manual gear stick, an additional storage compartment with a couple of USB-Cs. And once again, panning back around that dashboard, we get another angle of them smaller storage compartments, perfect for storing any smaller personal belongings you may be taking with you.